Welcome to Powerviz. In this video, let's explore the advanced text editor of our flagship KPI visual. With the advanced text editor, you can make your KPIs visually appealing and easier to interpret for your stakeholders. With options to add value, text, bullet points, badges, conditional icons, links, background, and more, you can transform your data storytelling and help deliver more engaging reports. Now let's dive into Power BI and recreate this stunning visual. Let's add the KPI visual to our report. Now I've added all the fields to our visual like the category, sales amount, sales last year percentage, etc. Let's start creating the visual. Now if I get into the edit mode, I have an option here to add the advanced text layer. Let me click on advanced text layer. So this is where you build your entire visual. Let me type in sales here and then let's make this bold and also increase the size maybe to about 24. And then on the next line, I would like to add the sales value itself. So I'm going to click on the value here. In the field type, let's choose value. In the value section, I can choose the value that I want to display here, the measure that I want to display here. That is all sales in this case. You can choose the aggregation here. There are various options here to choose from. And then display value as either actual or percentage. I'm going to leave it at actual now. Display unit, you can choose the display units as well. I would like to have a prefix of a $sign here. And then I would like to have one decimal and then click on apply. I now have my sales amount being displayed here. I can simply click on apply and you can see that being displayed on our visual. Now on the next line, I'm going to type in previous year and I would like to display the variance sale amount from last year. In the value section, I'm going to choose variance sale last year. Aggregation is going to be sum, display actual, etc. Prefix, I would like to have a $sign again and then click on apply. I now have my previous year variance amount being displayed here. Now let's conditionally format this number here. I would like to change this to green if the value is positive or red if the value is negative. So let's click on this FX button here and then click on add rule. I'm going to choose the value here as sales value last year percentage and then the aggregation here is going to be sum. If this is greater than 0, I would like to display this in green. I'm going to click on apply again. And then you can add another rule here. Choose the sales value percentage and then aggregation sum. If this is less than or equals to 0, then this needs to appear in red. I'm going to click on apply again. And now you can see that the previous year variance is appearing in green. Now let's add the sales variance percentage. So I'm going to click on value again. And this time I'm going to choose variance sale last year percentage. And then let's click on apply. And you can see that this is not appearing in percentage. So let's click on this to open the dialog box. And here you have an option to check this box which says percentage and then click on apply. And this will now appear in percentage. So let's quickly select this again and choose the FX button, click on apply. And now you can see that the conditional formatting is applied to percentage as well. Let's click on apply and see how this looks. Let's also add an arrow here to display whether the sales is up or down. So we can add that conditionally as well. We have an icon option here. Let's click on icon here and then let's click on add rule. And from the value field, let's select variance sale last year percentage. If this is greater than 0, then there are various options here for you to choose from. Let me choose this up arrow icon here, then click on apply. If this is greater than 0, then I need the up icon here. Now let's add another rule. The value field here is going to be variance sale last year percentage. If this is less than or equals to 0, then I need the down arrow to appear here. I'm going to click on apply again. And now you can see that we have the arrow appearing here. Let me select this arrow here and head to the conditional formatting. And now you don't really have to repeat the conditional formatting because you have an option here which says copy rules. Simply click on copy rules and let's head to the edit section here. And now all you have to do is just change the color here. Let's change this to green, click on apply. Let's head back to this section here and let's change this to red, click on apply again. Click on apply. And now you can see that our green arrow is appearing here as well. And on the next line, I've added the last year sales. Let's say now that you would like to add a badge here. Let me type in hi and then let me select this text here and now let's click on badge and you can add this badge conditionally as well. I'm going to choose the value field here, last year percentage. If this is greater than 0, then I want the badge to appear. There are various badges here that you can choose from. For this example, I'm going to choose this green badge and then click on apply and then click on apply again. And now you can see that the green badge is now appearing against this particular value. You can also control the size of this badge here. You can simply drop the size here of the text and then click on apply, and now the size of the badge has been reduced. The advanced text editor also lets you add bullet points to share key information with the users. All you have to do is click on these bullet points here from this drop down and choose the different options that are available. Let me choose this unordered bullet point here, and I can type in any information that I want. And then you can also customize the size of these bullet points here. Let's increase this to about 20. You can make them bold if you would like to. Click on apply. You can also add hyperlinks to text here. Let's say you want to navigate the user to a different link. You can simply select the text here and then scroll up. There is an option here for you to add the link. I can simply click on this link here, select the link icon, and then you can add in the link that you want the user to navigate to. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to type in google.com, click on add, and then click on apply. And now a link has been added. You can also add background color for text as well. You can simply select the text, click on this button here, and then choose a color here of your choice, click on apply. And now you have the background color applied to the text. You also have an option here to add emojis. There are various options here to choose from. You can add them as well if you would like to. And then let's head to the general tab. In the general tab, you have the layer title, you have your size, text, and position here. From here, you can also change the background. You have various types here to choose from. You have the background type solid. You can also choose a gradient here. If I click on apply, I now have a gradient color applied to my visual. Or you can also add an image here of your choice. You can also add a border from here and then shadow as well. If I click on apply, I now have a shadow applied to my visual. So this is how you can create this stunning KPI visual using the advanced text layer in our flagship KPI visual from Powerviz. If you've not explored our visual yet, then head to App Source or our website and download today.